Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. We are at Solitude by Nature Resort in Kotagiri, and in the room Serenity. This is just outside. It's a wonderful property just amidst nature, and you can just rejuvenate. This is the view from your room. It's just awesome. Inside your room, you get this view. You have a huge window. You have a huge bed. They have a very Victorian furniture. It takes you back in time, you know. It is Solitude by Nature Resort. That is the Shola forest that you can see from here. We had our breakfast in the morning over here. We have our tea here in the evening and the morning. There is another room, Tranquility. This property has only 3 rooms, Tranquility, Serenity, and there is 1 room down. So getting a booking is a little difficult, but the place is wonderful. It's called Solitude, and it's true to its name.
Omelette and 8 stuff paratha. You want dosa?
Omelette.
You see the tea gardens at the back. Nilgiris are famous for their tea gardens. Do subscribe to our channel, dear friends. Bye for now.